Hi everyone, my name is Ashlie, Ashlie, and please don't forget to subscribe to me. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful Christmas look. I want to start getting into the Christmas looks now that we're in December. I want to get a little bit more in the festive mood. So I picked out a couple palettes that I wanted to use today. This one's from Alter Ego. It's the Artemis palettes. And with all of these burgundies, the golds, greens, even blue, I really wanted to go into this palette. I haven't touched it in a minute, so I figured it's about time we do something cute, sparkly, little out there. And I have from Esme Cosmetics the Aurora palette. It is all glitter. Check these out. Look how stunning they are. Without further ado, get comfortable and let's get right into it. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Milani Supercharged Dewy Primer. I'm going for the more dewier look today. I just want to be sparkly all around, so I'm going to be extra today. Massage this bad boy right into the skin. I always loved how this primer smells just like oranges. It's a little citrusy smell. It is not over the top, but it smells so good and it grips your makeup all day long. It does have ginseng and citrus extracts. It refreshes and smooths the skin for extra long wear. Definitely one of my top primers of all time. Since we are using glitter though, I am going to jump into the eyes first. Going to use my Rare Beauty Eyelid Primer. Today's look is going to be extra. Using my purple brush from Real Techniques. This is my favorite brush to go set this primer down. I haven't been this excited for a holiday in years. Maybe because of all the COVID last year. And yes, I do hear the numbers are going back up. But since most of my family, upon our own decision, did get vaccinated, we will be celebrating it together. So that is very exciting. With my number 7 setting powder, I'm going to set my eyelids just so it's easier to blend everything out. I'm just pressing that girl right in. One of my absolute favorite blending brushes I got from Sally's Beauty. It is the Collab blending brush. I believe it was $13. Super worth it. It is right next to my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. It is just that good and it is way less money than Sigma. I would definitely look into that. With this Artemis palette, I am going to first jump in with Entice, which is this natural nude. Just put that all over as a transition color at the top. I absolutely love the formula of these eyeshadow palettes from Alter Ego. They are bomb. What they do is they mimic eyeshadows that are way more money, such as Natasha Denona, Huda, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, all that. Make the same looking color story, same colors for the most part, but way cheaper. I love their beauty blenders, their makeup brushes, their eyeshadow palettes. They are just so freaking awesome. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue right here, Victory. I need a flatter brush to make that go on a little bit easier. Right now I'm just packing this blue right on my lid. Next I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and blend the top of that blue out just a little bit, not too much. Does not have to be perfect yet. These glitters are just so beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful they are. I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue glitter. Okay, now I'm going to go back in on top of that glitter with Entice one last time, just to make sure the top is blended out nicely. I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh. Get this face ready for some makeup. I'm gonna go in today with my ABH Luminous Foundation. Now this shit right here, it is sweat proof, cry proof, you name it. I love this bad boy, and yes, it is a little expensive, but it is a big ass bottle and it will last you a while. I'm gonna go in today with my amazing, trustworthy Morphe brush. It is the Y6 Kabuki. Had this girl for about 4 to 5 years and it is in still tip-top shape. I absolutely adore this brush and they are so affordable. I usually go between a makeup brush and a makeup sponge applying my makeup. I never just stick with one thing. I like using both. It just kind of depends on my mood. Sometimes this is a little easier, but it leaves your streaks on your face and that drives me crazy. And so does leaving a line like mask on your face. So I always try to bring it down the neck. Now I thought women's emotions were bad. It goes from snowing and like 20 something degrees to 50 something and raining. It's like, make up your mind. Do you want to be hot, cold? This is when people's immune system goes down because it can't decide what it wants in life. Rain, rain, rain. Between the rain and the wind. Hopefully my garbage can's still there in the morning. I guess we'll find out. And yes, it does look a little bit tan on my face, but we still have to go in with concealer, and my concealer is lighter, so it'll make up for it. I am going in with 2 layers today because it's a Christmas holiday look. We gotta be extra. This foundation is full coverage. It is so beautiful and luminous on the skin. For concealer, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish, the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. This one is from e.l.f. To get as close to my eye as possible, I just look straight up so that my lashes and everything is out of the way. First, I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush in the number 7 powder to just go in and set under my eyes, just right in those fine lines and shrinkles. Around my nose, smile lines. I'm going to take a big brush and just set the rest of my face. First, I'm going to go in with Hunt all the way down. Just packing this on first. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Ambush, which is this nice dark navy blue. Next, really quick, I'm going to go in and do my brows. I got the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Definitely one of my staples in my every single day makeup. Then with the other Benefit Gel Brow, I'm going to set that up really quick. Now with my new beloved bronzer from Too Faced, I got the Hot Cocoa Bronzer. Take my favorite e.l.f. brush. Just start stapling that while I get to smell hot cocoa. Then with the MAC Desert Rose blush, I'm going to take a little bit of that on the tops of my cheeks. Then to glow to the gods, I'm going to take the LA Colors in Shine Bright. Look at that glow though. It is just stunning. Wish my hair would mind its business and stay where it belongs. It's always in my way. A smaller brush and just take this just on the insides of my eyes. And up here. Today for mascara, I'm going to use my favorite of all time. It is from Maybelline. It is the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. There is my mascara. I tried doing it a little bit more bold since today's look is pretty bold. I'm going to set my look, if I can find it, with the NYX Bear With Me. Definitely need more of this, but I'm gonna wait because Christmas is right around the corner. I'm not gonna buy anything for myself until December 26th. I'll behave. That was today's holiday look. I hope you enjoyed it. I am going to be doing an AIA influencer video tomorrow of an unboxing. I hope you come and join. Please subscribe and click that little notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of all my future uploads. I love you all. I'll see you all soon. Bye, y'all.